it's a feast or famine. Some people had quite a bit of rain throughout the day, light to moderate. None of it has been terribly heavy, but other people have been enjoying a day with some sunshine. I just went out into the parking lot, bone dry with some filtered sunshine, while at my house it's been ongoing rain in parts of Dallas County. But you can see here, this is the Metroplex towards Fort Worth and west. That's where we see more activity. All of that green that you see and a little bit of orange and the red colors, that means that we have heavier downpours and heavier storms, and we're looking towards Parker County and over into Wise County, and so that is all slowly moving towards the Metroplex. So we are watching all of that. And not only that, we have cool temperatures that are staying in the 70s. And you can see here, this is the last few hours in Dallas. So I just wanted to show you and verify that it's been raining on and off, very cloudy. And because of that, take a look at the temperatures, 75, 74. We did get to about 76, 77 for the high, but now it's dropped a little bit, especially in Tarrant and Dallas due to the cloud cover. So what else can we expect? Well, tomorrow we have the lowest rain coverage. That doesn't mean we're completely dry. It just means 20 to 30% chance of an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. The weekend, afternoon and evening storms, both Saturday and Sunday, between 40 to 50%. And then Memorial Day, we're also looking at some activity, about 30% afternoon showers. None of it looks to be severe right now. Only one area of storms could bring some gusty winds, and I'll show you in just a second. But you can see here that today we're keeping that 70% for the rest of the afternoon into the evening. Tomorrow, 20%, 20 to 30%, that's Friday, 50%, scattered storms in the afternoon and evening, and also on Sunday of 40%. So it's not a washout of a forecast, but we do need to stay weather aware. And that's because people go boating, have activities outdoors. Some weddings are happening that I know about on Saturday. So just keep an eye out to the sky. Temperature-wise towards the south, near 80. Of course, the county, you're 81. Here is the radar. I'm going to close it up a little bit more so you can see where we have the heaviest storms. None of it severe, but this is northwestern Parker County moving over into Wise County, and all of that eventually moving into the Metroplex. So it will impact part of the commute, but you can see here, here's the Metroplex. And yes, you're dodging a couple of sprinkles here and there on 635, I-30, I-20, but nothing terrible. So in the next couple of hours, some of those showers and storms will move into the Metroplex and over towards the east. Rockwall and Kaufman are included, and this continues until the evening hours. The problem really is, and the reason why we have a first alert weather, when some of these storms develop and sit there, they could drop quite a bit of rain. We had a flood advisory for Young County, for example, because they got 2 inches of rain in a short period of time. And so some of these storms are pretty juicy. Now, this is tomorrow morning. We could have some patchy fog in the areas that clear and maybe an isolated shower. But as I mentioned, tomorrow, late afternoon, evening is when we could see some additional development, but the coverage would be low. Now, I mentioned that we have one time period where we could see some strong storms. We're at a level 1. This is for Friday night after midnight until about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. There will be a system that will try to come in from the northwest, and it should die out, but it could reach our northwestern counties, even into northwestern Tarrant, with some small hail and some gusty winds. Remember, that's Friday into Saturday morning. Saturday, 83. Sunday, 82, with those scattered storms in the afternoon both days. And for right now, Memorial Day, we have a 30% chance of an isolated shower or non-severe storm during the afternoon. So not the perfect holiday weekend we were hoping for, but not a washout by any means. And then we get to Tuesday, 85, 84, with ongoing scattered storms next week.